Hello friends, the following video is a sample from my Patreon channel. I talk about Patreon a lot on this channel because it's so important to me that you learn the things that I can teach you through Patreon. So this is just a little sample. They're not very long. It's $5 a month. You get 5 videos a week, Monday through Friday. It applies to both at-home homemakers and payroll homemakers. And this is where you can decide if you want to be mentored by me. So if you decide you want to be mentored and you're in the Patreon channel, you've paid your $5, go look at the tiers and see what you need. All right, that's it. Have a wonderful day. Enjoy. Hello, my dear patrons. Today is Wednesday, June 15th. And the thing that I want you to think about today is, are you a good steward of your home? Are you a good steward of your home? So you've been blessed with a home, whether it's a rental or you own it or you're making mortgage payments on it. You've been blessed with this home. You have a roof over your head, walls around you, a floor under you. You've got something to sit on, something to eat on, something to sleep in, something to wash dishes in, something to bathe your body in. You have a home. And so we have consistently, we of the ADD persuasion, filled our homes with all kind of pack rat stuff that we don't need, love, or use, but we're afraid to get rid of it, fear being the key word. So remember that fear is mentioned 365 times in the Bible. It says, fear not. So we're not going to be afraid anymore. We're not going to save something because we might need it. No, we're going to let it go. So today I want you to think about that. Are you a good steward of your home? Do you have streamlined storage cabinets in your home? Do you have streamlined cupboards in your home? Do you have streamlined pantry in your home? Do you have streamlined linen closet in your home? Do you know where your scissors are? Do you know where needle and thread can be found? Do you know where you can find a button? Where is the paper towel? Where are the paper towels? Where is the toilet paper? These are the things we want to know. Where is the garbage bag? Where are the garbage bags? Where is the shopping bag? Or are the shopping bags? Anyway, where are your shoes? Where's your nail polish? You need to know this is all streamlining. And in order to streamline it, you have to be a good steward of your home. You have to get rid of the stuff you don't love, need, or use. And you have to clean it, organize it, take care of it, and then you can relax because this is a nice, clean, peaceful environment where you can love on your family, you can love yourself, and you know you're being a good steward. It's a feeling of peace, okay? All right, so today is Wednesday. It is planning and desk day for at-home homemakers. Payroll, your planning and desk day is going to be on the weekend. I suggest Sunday afternoon. If that doesn't work for you, find another time that's quiet. Okay, here's what we're going to do this morning. We're going to get up this morning and do our morning routine, and we're going to follow that with some laundry and some paper clutter, if these things apply to you. And then we're going to wake up our family and feed them breakfast and clean up after breakfast. And if you still have little ones going to school, you might need to take them, or they may ride the bus, or they may ride their bike, or they may walk, or whatever. That has to be taken care of. Once that's done, you can either go on to work if you're a payroll and you're working outside the home or inside the home, or you can, if you're not payroll, you're going to be at home, you are an at-home homemaker, you're going to come home and you're going to immediately work on your zone. We're in zone 3. That's the hall bathroom between the kids' bedrooms, that one. The hall bathroom and or one other room. Okay, so let's say you've already washed the tub out or the shower and your bathroom looks good, so you're going to work in the guest room. And we're on Wednesday, so we got Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday left. So this is the second day of working in zone 3. And you're going to work for 15 minutes in this room decluttering. Throw away, put away, give away. You're going to have a clock set. You're going to have water. You're going to go to the bathroom. You're not going to be hungry. You're going to set your timer, and you're going to declutter for 15 minutes, one predetermined area. You're going to throw away in the garbage bag, put away in the basket, and give away in the box. When the 15 minutes are up, you're going to complete the process. You're going to take the giveaway to the back of the car to put with the other giveaway that you've been collecting. You're going to put, and tomorrow is errand day, so you're going to take those things to wherever they go tomorrow. Okay, so make sure they're in there. You're going to take your garbage to the garbage can and put it in there deep in the bottom where nobody can go rummaging through your junk. And you're going to take the basket and you're going to put the other things away where they go. And that's it. You're done with the zone. Now we're going to do whatever it is you do. Maybe you need to homeschool. Maybe you're playing with your toddler. Maybe they have a play date. Maybe you're going to meet a friend at the park with them. Whatever it is, do that. Then we're going, oh, I forgot. What did I forget? Clutter stop. You've got to do a clutter stop in the morning. Payroll, before you go to work, do a clutter stop. At home moms, do a clutter stop. Now we can do whatever it is we want to do. And if you don't have little ones and your kids are big or your kids are grown, you can go straight into errand day. So you can go buy your groceries and go deliver the things to your Goodwill and drop by Costco and go by and get some gas and maybe run through the car wash and come home. Errand day. This is the day to do that. I hope you have something good to listen to on the radio when you're doing it. Okay, next we're going to, or if you have little ones, you might have to wait until they're napping and maybe somebody's watching them, or you are having your groceries delivered to the home, or when they wake up, you're going to put them in their seats and take them with you to the store and have them put the groceries curbside in the back of the car. That would be ideal. If not, you're going to have to take them into the store with you, which is a little exacerbating. It's hard. All right. Next, we're going to go have some more fun time with our kids. We're going to, before nap time, you're going to do that second, if you're at home, you're going to do that second clutter stop. And then at 5:30, 4:30, 5:30, we're going to have a hard stop. We're going to bring payroll in and we're going to make dinner. Clutter stop for you, payroll, your second of the day. Then we're going to make dinner, serve dinner, eat dinner, and do our after dinner routine. Once that's done, you're going to go do part A of your before bed routine, which would involve cleaning your face, moisturizing your skin, putting on your pajamas, laying out your clothes for tomorrow, taking care of the clothes that you wore today. And then enjoying the rest of your evening. If you have little ones, you may have to bathe them and get them down, and then enjoy the rest of your evening. It is not a time to catch up on what you didn't get done today. That day is done. Payroll, you're not working hard at the end of the night. I want you to rest. You worked hard all day. At home, you worked hard all day. If you frittered away some of your time, give yourself grace. Promise that you're not going to do that tomorrow. And rest. This is a time to rest. It's a time to visit with your husband and maybe your older teenagers, your older children who haven't really seen you so much today. They've been doing their thing, or you've been with the little ones. It's a great time to do that, nice and relaxed. At about 9:30, you have a hard stop. You go into the kitchen. You make sure the dishwasher has soap in it and it's running. You wipe the sink out. You put the dish towel in the wash. You put a new towel out. Go to the bathroom, brush and floss, and get in bed. And that's your day. And so that's what I want you to do today. All of those things. Every day I tell you exactly what to do. If you will do exactly what I say to do, if you will take your planner and write it in there, put it in there, and look at it and leave it laying out flat on a space, maybe on your dining table or on the counter, lay it out flat and mark it off as you do the things you've written down, then you're going to get everything done and you're going to feel so much better, and you're going to slowly but surely see your house change and evolve. And one day, like Hemingway says, everything's slow, slow, slow until it isn't, and then it's fast. Because at the end, it seems like, wow, that was fast. But it wasn't. It was that constant dripping of water that wore the stone away. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day. Hope you remember to pray for yourself, because prayer changes things. Pray for me, pray for everyone else. And always remember to be beautiful, because you are beautiful.